have cravings for sweets, and for that moment, today we are going to make a very instant and quick sweet dish. It is the Shahi Toast. So let's start. Take 1 cup of milk in a pan. Add in half cup of fresh cream. We are going to mix it and cook it till it reduces to half. We are going to prepare a rabri of it. Stir it occasionally so that it doesn't stick to the bottom. Now it has started to reduce. We are going to add 2 to 3 teaspoons of sugar. Mix it and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes on medium to low flame or till our milk reduces to half. It is done. Remove it from the flame and reserve it for later. In a large vessel, take 1 cup of sugar, add 1 cup of water. We are going to cook our sugar and water to make a syrup of it. Cook it till one boil on medium to low flame. Add in 2 to 3 green cardamoms. Bring it to a boil. We don't have to cook it for long time. We will cook till our sugar syrup becomes a little sticky, and then we will remove it from the flame. Let us check on our syrup. It has become sticky. Now switch off the flame and reserve it. Now we are going to prepare a toast. For that, heat clarified butter in a pan. Add a slice of bread and fry it from both the sides till it is light golden in color. It is done. Now remove it and add the other slice of bread, and likewise prepare the rest of the slices of bread. Now add the prepared slices of bread in the sugar syrup and soak it for 10 to 15 seconds. Then remove it on a plate. Don't soak the breads for long, otherwise they will become soggy. Arrange the bread pieces on a serving dish, then spread the prepared Rabri mixture. Garnish it with some chopped pistachios, almonds, and cashew nuts. Our instant Shahi toast are ready. If you find the recipe easy and you like the recipe, then please give it a thumbs up. Share it with your family and friends. And if you are new to the channel, then please subscribe the channel for more such easy and delicious recipes.